Hey guys, as you've seen, I was able to plow with the tractor. Sorry about the short video on the plowing. I'll make a longer one next time. My camera kept cutting out on me, so I was only able to get a couple short clips. Today was kind of bittersweet. Ran into a little issue. After I was done plowing, I parked the tractor in my driveway, went inside to open the garage door, and now I'm having some potentially major starter issues. So what I'll do is I'll quickly give it a quick turn, and it sounds like there's a clanking noise coming from the starter. When I turned it off, the motor, everything sounded fine, but it is a loud noise coming from the starter. If any of you guys have any suggestions on what that could be, let me know. Probably my next step is to actually take off the starter and take a look at it and see if we can determine what is in fact wrong with it. I'd like to get it fixed as soon as possible, because no doubt we'll get another dumping of snow. If you guys can leave me a comment below if you have any suggestions, or if you've heard a clanking noise like that before, let me know on what your outcome was with it, if it was a new starter or if it was a starter gear, or hopefully nothing worse than that. But it does appear that the noise is coming from the starter. If you guys follow my channel, you'll see that's my new to me toy. It's an 06 Smart Car Cabriolet. I'll be doing a few videos on that. Again guys, thanks for watching. Any suggestions on what the issue could be, let me know. Like I said, if you've heard that noise before, and what your outcome was on how to fix it, if it was actually replacing the starter or if it was something much worse.